Meiosis is a special type of cell division that produces haploid cells for sexual reproduction. It occurs in two main stages, Meiosis I and Meiosis II, each with a distinct role. The process begins with Meiosis I, also known as the reduction division. In prophase I, homologous chromosomes pair up closely in a process called synapsis. During this stage, crossing over occurs, where segments of DNA are exchanged between chromosomes. This important event creates genetic variation and ensures diversity among offspring. Next, in metaphase I, the paired chromosomes align at the center of the cell. Spindle fibers attach to each chromosome pair, preparing them for separation. In anaphase I, homologous chromosomes are pulled apart toward opposite poles. This separation reduces the chromosome number by half. By telophase I and cytokinesis, the cell divides into two haploid cells. Although these cells have half the chromosome number, each chromosome still consists of two sister chromatids. The second stage, Meiosis II, is similar to mitosis. In prophase II, chromosomes condense again and spindle fibers form. During metaphase II, chromosomes line up individually at the center of each cell. In anaphase II, sister chromatids separate and move toward opposite poles. Finally, telophase II and cytokinesis complete the process.
Subscribe to the channel to learn more. Time More Work Solution. Thank you.